It's a new 2019 BMW i3. The sustainable design, undeniable agility, and astounding performance and efficiency all make up an EV that's bound to shift the way you think about driving. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: external memory control, cabin preconditioning, doors and push-button start proximity key, forged aluminum wheels, engine auto stop start feature, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system, front heated bucket seats, rear-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and automatic transmission. BMW, sheer driving pleasure. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.